Welcome back to CoReatha's Corner, where I like to say, treat yourself to something sweet and be sweet to somebody. I'm here today with big puppy Shane, who's now 8 months old, and I just want to tell you guys a little secret. Do you guys like aprons? I don't know if you like aprons or not, but aprons in the kitchen are a necessity for every queen or king of the kitchen. And I'll tell you why. You know, what's going on, buddy? Listen, if you have on a beautiful linen dress and you're about to make some popcorn or you're going to make some salad dressing with oil in it, and you're about to have some guests over for dinner and you've got your olive oil and you've got your crushed red pepper flakes and you've got your balsamic vinegar, and you're going to put a little bit of honey in that or something, and then all of a sudden you get something on your hands and it's like your natural instinct is to go like that. Well, you'll be glad you're wearing an apron when you go like that, okay? Because now you've got oil on your outfit. And some of these linen dresses, some of these clothes that we wear, they're pretty expensive. Right, Shane? Isn't that right? We don't all have a beautiful fur coat like you. But anyway, so, anyway, so it's important to wear an apron in the kitchen, okay? An apron is a very important necessity. It's a necessity for every person who's cooking in the kitchen because you want to keep your clothes nice and neat. And I make these aprons. We make these aprons here at CoReatha's Corner. And we've got some that are striped. We have some that come with a bandana. It matches the aprons as they have pockets in the front. And sometimes if you want to put your cookie cutters or some of your utensils in your pocket, you have a pocket big enough to do that. And the other thing we make here at CoReatha's Corner are cutting boards. We are the home to the micro cutting boards. And for some reason, Big Shane wants to take a look at this. Hey, I think they smell like walnut. And he wants to kind of, hey, what's going on, buddy? What's going on? What you doing? What you doing? Anyway, this is a micro cutting board. It's 100% walnut. We make these too. These are available every Sunday at the Encino Farmers Market. We also sell them in our Etsy store. And we have several types of wood. We use walnut. Oh no, don't do that. We use Iroko. We use maple. Anyway, we use a variety of materials, and I'm so glad you guys were able to join us today. And this one today is very short, it's very sweet, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time, right here on CoReatha's Corner, where Big Shane likes to say, woof, 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 woof. You gonna talk to me, buddy? Woof, 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 woof.